Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how you can remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So, the first thing that you want to do is to open your Google Sheets. You can see my sample document right here. And as you can see right here that there is a duplicate, the name Angel. So now what I'm going to do is just to select all the items right here. So select all items. Now, after selecting all the items, you can see at the top this option, Data. Just tap on that and then scroll down until you see Data Cleanup. Just tap on Remove Duplicates. Now just tap on Remove Duplicates again. Tap on OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.